Hello trade boosters. This is a super trend strategy that I believe will work for you guys. You simply have to follow the rules. So I'm gonna just delete my super trend strategy right here, delete it. We're gonna go for the regular super trend, normal one. So this is a not so spoken about strategy, but it involves the super trend and the trend line. All right. So you have to draw your trend lines. All right. Okay, cool. I've drawn my trend line, as you can see, and the whole aim of a trend line is to wait for it to get respected, whether it is a bounce or a retest. Is what we're looking for. Just gonna draw another one right here. Let's draw another one right here. As you can see. So this trend line that we drew right here, as you can see, the moment price came up here, broke our trend line, retested it, as you can see, give us a nice sell signal. That was a little sell for us to take because price bounced on our trend line. As you can see, price came back up again, bounced on our trend line again, and gave us another sell signal. I was gonna take that, stop loss over the high, target the lows, and as you can see, we have another trend line that is right here. Just fix this trend line nicely. Cool. As you can see, that's our trend line. In my regard, price did bounce on this trend line. As you can see, that was a bounce, and it gave us a buy signal because price didn't go too far. It was a nice buy. Taking that buy, and you can see price has broken our trend line. This is pretty much a retest area, and you can see there are so many sell opportunities. 1, 2, 3. You'd have taken any of them, and price would have eventually tanked. Price tanked. As you can see, that's just how the strategy works. 1, 2, 3. Very easy to use. Let me know how it works for you. If you need any help, comment, and I'll help you in the comment sections.